She was shot in the back and killed in cold blood, but for 2 decades, the murder has haunted loved ones. And now, the victim's identical twin sister is taking things into her own hands on a mission to solve the cold case. In Focus reporter Catherine Hawley spoke with her today.
Somebody knows who pulled the trigger, shooting and killing Joann LeCornu in a Baltimore County parking lot. But after 20 years with no charges or arrest, Jody's twin sister is doing anything she can to crack the murder case. She was 23, vivacious, and figuring out what she wanted to do with her life. But Joann, Jody LeCornu, never got that chance. On March 2nd, 1996, Jody was sitting in her car in the parking lot of a shopping center along York Road when gunfire rang out.
The suspect pulled out a gun and fired a single shot into the car. That bullet went into the back seat and into Joann's back.
It was the middle of the night, just shy of 4 a.m. Jody managed to drive across the street and into another lot. The gunman wasn't far behind.
He followed her across the street, and when she stopped, he reached into the car. We think he may have put the car in park, but we're not 100% sure. But he definitely took something out of that car.
It's a chilling crime. And for decades, the reason for Jody's murder and the name of her killer has puzzled police and loved ones. Jody's identical twin sister, Jenny, is tormented by the loss. And she won't back down until she finally knows who took her sweet sister's life.
I'm going to do anything to find out what happened.
This spring, investigators released never-before-seen photos from the snowy crime scene, hoping to inspire someone to come forward with information. But for Jenny, it's not enough.
I've trusted them all these years, and I've been very patient. I don't understand why they're not working on her case.
Over the years, there have been theories about the unsolved killing. It was a drug deal gone bad or a random robbery. Detectives have witnesses, surveillance videos from nearby businesses, fingerprints, and a description of the triggerman and his car. Yet the case is cold.
We just want to get answers. We want to get the truth. You know, I don't feel like justice has been, Jody, you know, there hasn't been justice for Jody.
Jenny has been digging on her own, desperate to find the gunman. Back in August, Jenny and her attorney sent a request to the county police department to have access to Jody's murder case file. They think getting a fresh pair of eyes to look at the details could turn up new leads.
Which way the investigation should proceed, what needs to be done, what interviews or re-interviews need to be conducted, what we can glean from the crime scene processing.
The department responded about a month later, denying the request, saying it could compromise the ongoing investigation. However, the letter also said Jenny and her lawyer are welcome to view the files.
I've got a good memory, but you know what? I'm not going to remember everything that I read. We need the actual files in order to determine what steps we need to take from here.
Now, they're suing Baltimore County Police for the records. The lawsuit was filed earlier today, and the department has 30 days to file a response with the court. Jenny just wants to end the wondering of what happened to Jody and finally hold someone accountable for the years of pain.
I'm appreciative for what they have done, but it's 20 years and it's not enough. I mean, there's still so many unanswered questions.
We reached out to the Baltimore County Police Department about the lawsuit, and a spokesperson tells us they don't comment on pending litigation.